Hi everybody, welcome in my final presentation. My name is Sylvain Mukena. I work for Arkansas Department of Health and at the Arkansas Occupational Health Clinic. Today I'm going to talk to you, the residents of Pulaski County, about the possible adverse health effect related to bisphenol A exposure. As I introduced on my draft presentation, bisphenol A is a chemical which is used for the production of polycarbonate plastic and epoxy resin that make up many items that people use every day in their life, such as water bottle, toys, food, packaging, safety equipment, electronic and auto device, storage, store cell, receipt, incubator baby, mask for oxygen therapy. All these items are used and is essential for the industrial, business, and commercial domain, as well as additive for the elimination of sulfate of hydrochloride and acid during the polyvinyl chloride. There are a various pathways of route of exposure to BPA like oral inhibition, inhalation, and transdermal, which are considered as the main source of the exposure to BPA. This contamination can occur from food packaging and dust, dental material, healthcare equipment, thermal paper, toys, articles for children. The residents of Pulaski County, Arkansas, can be exposed outdoor and indoor to this hazardous material. This exposure leads to adverse or negative health effects. For instance, let's talk about the side effects related to bisphenol A in human body. We have high blood pressure, obesity, diabetes, cancer, infertility, weight loss, eye and skin allergy, heart disease, miscarriage, brain function, fetal development. The list is not exhaustive. Bisphenol A is metabolized in the liver for to form the bisphenol A receptor and act as agonist and antagonist via estrogenous receptor dependent and signaling pathway. Therefore, BPA plays an important role in pathogenesis of several endocrine disorders, including male and female infertility. BPA is associated with high risk of aneuploid and haploid miscarriage. BPA decline semen quality and increased DNA damage. BPA is found cytotoxic but not genotoxic in human cell line. Blood, it is increased the risk of precocious puberty and it is able to create bladder cancer from occupational carcinogen exposure. As an endocrine disruptor with estrogen property, that adversely affect meiotic spindle assembly and can imitate the body human hormone and interfere with production, secretion, transport, function, and also eliminate the natural hormone. For example, BPA interfere with endocrine function involving the hypothalamus and pituitary gland. This exposure to chemical affect egg maturation, ovulation, infertility, erectile dysfunction, sexual desire, and ejaculation. Human toxicity due to BPA depend on two major factors: the length of the exposure and the dose of the chemical. Therefore, the low dose can lead to hypertension and cardiovascular problems like arrhythmia and atherosclerosis. There is the evidence the low dose contributes to insulin resistance, which leads to diabetes type 2. The high dose of BPA creates the inhibition of pituitary gland, which can induce the trouble in body weight, like like obesity or weight loss. In case of obesity, body mass index is able to go over 95 and abnormal weight circumference. Environment exposure to BPA has potential to affect the development of brain during gestational period. Scientists believe BPA with estrogen-like behavior could increase the risk of breast, prostate, and other cancer in people who were exposed to it in the womb. BPA increase also risk of wheezing and asthma during the second period of pregnancy. Exposure to low dose and high dose during small or enough time can lead to bioaccumulation. BPA cement to require special attention, such as biomonitoring. This observation should include clinical tests of BPA concentration in the urine. This is the only one of the best way or method to evaluate this chemical compound. There are much debate or disagreement about how much BPA exposure is necessary to cause adverse health effect in human body. Let's go to the next slide and discuss about the impact of the BPA in the environment of Pulaski County. Impact of bisphenol A in the environment of Pulaski County, Arkansas. Primarily, I'll describe the environment of Pulaski County. Secondary, I will talk about the benefic and adverse effect of BPA in this environment. And lastly, I will conclude on the organization regarding the regional recycling and waste reduction district in Pulaski County. Pulaski County is in the U.S. state of Arkansas. It is divided in three major parts: Jacksonville, Sherwood, and North Little Rock. It is crossed by Arkansas River and 6 highway. Pulaski County contains the lake called Mammal and some natural places like forests. For example, Casimir Pulaski Memorial State Park. It is located in central of Arkansas, cover an area of 809 square miles. This place is an urban and one of the most popular city in Arkansas. The population is around 3,092,664. It is one of the first counties over 75 in Arkansas in many domains and has more than 52 major companies. Most of them are using the plastic, which lead to the exposure to bisphenol A. Indoor and outdoor, the residents are exposed to this chemical. The employer like Caterpillar Inc., which work in the road grade, L'Oreal USA Inc., which work in cosmetic product, Verizon Corporation work on telecommunication service, UMS for medical science, where we found the hospital in which dental clinic use some plastics device for the treatment of teeth. Walgreens, which is pharmacy store, work for the drug. Walmart, where they use food packaging and sell food and other items containing the plastic. The list of the company is not definitive. All these productions are beneficial for the development of Pulaski County. Plastic have transformed our everyday life. Usage is increasing and annual production is likely to exceed 300 million tons by 2010. We synthesize current understanding of benefit and concern surrounding use of plastic and look to future priority, challenge, and opportunity. It is evident plastic brings many societal benefits and offer future technology and medical advance. The environment is defined as the surrounding or condition in which a person, animal, or plant operates. However, concerns about usage and disposal are diverse and include accumulation and waste in landfill and in natural habitat, physical problems for wildlife resulting from ingestion on entanglement in plastic. Also, the effect of plastic debris in the environment, effect on human production, usage, disposal, and waste management solution, biopolymer and biodegradation solution, and policy measures. Otherwise, once we live in the environment, BPA can mimic the behavior and animal hormone and has potential endocrine disruptor, which is harmful and can destroy ecosystem and lead to the toxicity in the environment as in human category. BPA is white crystal melting around 150 degrees Celsius. It is not soluble in the water, but it is in alcohol and alkaline solution. The high quantity of BPA found in the water, soil, and air lead to heat stress, which rise the global temperature and induce global warming and affect dramatically the ecosystem. In order to protect the environment and the residents to this exposure, Pulaski County has an organization, Regional Recycling and Waste Reduction District, which take care of residential and industrial waste of BPA by recycling in the right way all waste by category and bringing this stuff in the right place. This service and program has a yearly calendar for recycling collection. Let's go to the next slide. In this last slide, first I will talk about the law and regulation used by the country in order to protect the population and the correlation between FDA and BPA. Second, I will explain how the residents of Pulaski County can avoid the exposure to BPA. National Conference State Legislature Policy Update state restriction on BPA in consumer product and say that in 2010, in March 2010, this law prohibits the manufacture, sale, or distribution of empty bottle caps or other beverage containers that contain BPA. After July 1st, 2011, the law also prohibits the manufacture, sale, or distribution of empty sport bottles of 64 ounces or less that contain BPA after July 1st, 2012. In the US, only 11 states approved this law. The state of Arkansas is not included. BPA and epoxy resin are approved by FDA to be in contact with the food. BPA is used to make polycarbonate plastic, which is used widely in food and can lining to extend the shelf life and protect the food from the contamination, spoilage. The United States Center for Disease Control said for someone who weighs about 154 pounds, the daily intake of BPA is approximately 2.4 micrograms. The FDA current assessment said bisphenol A is safe in very low doses that occur in the food. Avoid this exposure to BPA is to think about the way to reduce the exposure to this chemical. We have 8 ways to avoid this exposure. First, think twice and eat fewer canned food. Second, choose cardboard and glass container over cans. Here it is important to check and look the label with a number 2 recycling code. Thirdly, do not microwave polycarbonate plastic food container. Fourthly, choose plastic and glass bottle for beverage. Fifthly, turn down the heat. Sixthly, use baby bottles that are BPA free. Seventhly, use powder infant formula instead of premixed liquid. And finally or eighthly, practice moderation. The main concern about BPA is the level able to give the negative effect in the animal and plant life, in the water or river, soil and air. However, results of some recent study using novel low dose approach and examining different endpoints describe subtle effects in laboratory animal and very low concentration. Some of these low dose studies are potentially of concern for environment level to which sensitive aquatic organisms may be exposed. In January 15, 2010, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services provided interim recommendations on how parents and family can reduce exposure to BPA. The U.S. Environment Protection Agency take triple action for this hazardous material. First, consider rulemaking under to identify BPA on the concern. Second, to develop data which respect the environment relevant to a further determination that BPA does not present the risk in the environment. Third, initiate collaborate alternative assessment activity under its Design for Environment Alternative Assessment Program to encourage reduction in BPA release exposure. Thank you to watch my final presentation.